I'll give you an introduction first. So today is March 3rd, 2021, and two teams have assembled, Team Nitin and Team Kavinraj. And Team Kavinraj and Team Nitin have got some new additions. We have got Harini from the 6th grade added to Team Nitin. We have got, Team Kavinraj. Harini is in Team Kavinraj. Shriya is in Team Nitin, and Nagu Ashwin is also in Team Nitin. While the other people are just like the same yesterday. So today the skit is going to be played. Both the teams have prepared a skit. We're going to see skit by skit, one by one.
Okay, sir.
We're going for the toss, and whichever team wins the toss, they will decide whether they are going first or they are going second. You can be there. You did not come over here. Yesterday, Nitin called for the toss, and this time it's Kavin going to call for the toss. Chair board way. Let it be.
Sir, unscripted question, unscripted question.
Because objects in the program, what do you want chair over?
I have one.
Call it. Call it. Heads it is. So Nitin's team decides who will go first. Whoever they say, they will go first. They can choose their own selves. First you want to go. Your team wants to. Anybody else? Nitika, I say you can have a Leave it to the captain. He has to decide. How many people wanted to go first? Put your hand up. So 3 members, 2 members. Okay. Dhanush, you also wanted to go first, right? No. Oh, fine. So Team Nitin is putting Team Kavin into the first hat. Thank you for not dragging the chairs, everybody.
No problem. Sir, please, responsibility, sir. Please, responsibility.
And then by?
Sir, past la namakku nammade help pannita sir, future kaana irukkum.
Self-help is the best help, sir. Sir, with that,
So Team Kavinraj is going to enact a skit, and let us see how far they are doing.
Thank you, Ka. Thank you. Happy.
Right, so you are having exactly 15 minutes for your skit. So, Kavinraj, do you have your phone? Please take your phone.
Sir, can I keep my phone here for my outing?
Yeah, you can. In the bag, now let's go somewhere over the bag. All the Asian countries, எல்லாமே இந்தியா பக்கத்துல இருக்கு. Japan, Indonesia, Greece. Good. No.
The flight is going in last, it came to 30,000 feet. Many petrol.
அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப டீடைலா வேணாம். இதையே எனக்கு அரை மணி நேரமா போட்டு அதையே பேசிக்கணும். Don't bother. Just என்ன மிஸ்டேக் இருக்குன்னு தப்பு இல்லை, பரவாயில்ல. Don't be so self-conscious. Okay. 15 minutes time starts now.
So, warm greetings to all of our present here. So, sir, thanks for this opportunity, sir. Because I feel very contented to present this skit, sir. This was a dream come true. because one of the most important skit that I myself enjoyed was this skit that we performed in 2019, sir. And we wanted to complete this, and I thought this was the best opportunity for us to complete, sir, because the roles were correct, because there are many small kids here, sir. So if we have incorporated this skit today, it would be correct, sir. So thanks for that opportunity, sir. So friends, it's all about the skit. So there are two main roles are an IPS officer and an IAS officer. So it's all about how they get through the obstacles that they have. The IPS officer feels homesick when he gets the job offer, and the IAS officer is struggling a lot to get through the interview. So it's all about that, and you will see each sequence coming up. And the first sequence is going to be, it's a round table conference. It's taking place in the IPS and IAS person's house. So IAS role is going to be played by me. The 20-year-old youngster IAS is going to be played by me, and the IPS role is going to be played by Mr. Nitish. So in this sequence, roles that are going to take place is as the father of the IAS and IPS. So the names remain the same, Mritan and Mitra. Then the other is Harini, our cousin sister. So she is going to be with our father, and she is also going to advise us. So this roundtable conference is when a postman arrives from the door, and he gives the job letter. So the postman in this sequence is going to be Siddhi. So we will, sir, can we come down for the sequence, sir?
Yeah, everybody come down. Skit acting will not be comfortable on stage. Stage பத்தாது ஆளு போடல வெளியே போய் விழுந்தாரு இங்கே nice opening narration.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr.
Each and every performance of a teammate will add up to the marks of the team. Please understand.
Okay, sir.
Tit for tat, both the teams are really contending very strong. Ravindraj's team and Nitin's team, ரெண்டுமே ரொம்ப contended-ஆ ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு. So, அது அப்படியே maintain. Chairs not needed. Mitra, we will stand and meet.
Okay, sir.
If we are going to have it, chairs fixed பண்ணோம்னா time.
Okay, sir.
சரி இல்லைன்னா நீங்க மட்டும் இருங்க சார். நீங்க ஃபாதரா தான் நீங்க ஒரு
இல்லடா நீ சும்மா கேஷுவலா உள்ள வந்து பேசிட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி. வீட்ல எல்லாரும் உட்கார்ந்துருவாங்க.
ஒரு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் ஆட் கொடுக்குற மாதிரி சார். நீங்க உட்கார்ந்து கொஞ்சம் நாங்க கசின்ஸ்
நான் அந்த சார்ல உட்கார்ந்து
சரி. நீங்க படியில உட்கார்ந்துங்க. இல்லாட்டி சேர் உட்காருங்க. அங்க வச்சு கால் வச்சு.
Yeah. So, Harini.
Okay, so I'm getting back into the character. So
You knock the door, okay? Postman, knock the door.
So 3, 2, 1. Harini is coming inside. Harini is on.
Harini is our cousin sister, sir. She's
I know.
going to accompany with you, sir.
Okay.
So we are, it's directly to the round table conference, sir. If we come from there, it will take a lot of time, sir. So for,
What round table?
sir,
Family play in the round table.
other than for dinner, dinner.
3, 2, 1, go. It's high time you have to think something about your future. I have no idea. You know, your cousin Harini is having a plan at least, but you both are not having a plan. When are you going to give me a plan as to what you are going to become as in the future?
Dad, we have already made the plan. So last week I attempted for the IAS examination, and I hope I'll get passed and I'll get a good result.
You didn't even prepare for the UPSC examination. You both had been very irresponsible, specifically him. Yes. Who's that? Why has post office appointed such a short postman? Bring the letter, come here.
calling sir. Our father is calling sir. Coming sir.
You're a postman. You look exactly like a post box office. You're a post box. Thank you.
Sir, what is this letter about, sir?
Is it
What
job?
job?
What job?
IPS job.
I need to go to.
You have given the post, delivered the post. What else do you expect us to do? Would you like to have dinner with us?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Such a surprise. You have got the call letter for IAS and he has got the call letter for...
Yay!
Okay, finally with some class, so...
We are very responsible.
That doesn't make me happy as ever because you got to go, you got to attend the preliminary examination.
We will do it.
He will go for, I go for interview and he's going to go for the preliminary round.
Learn from your cousin sister. She is already staunched well into her career and I hope I'm going for a national conference in my business and once I come back, maybe I hope that you both are giving some good news. All the best, Marky.
So please, so the second sequence is
So
going
basically you are seeing a father who is not very confident about his son and daughter, and who is not very much interested about his son and daughter's prosperity, not having complete understanding about the value of the son and daughter, and always a business guru. He is always interested in business and money.
So this is the second sequence, and this is going to involve all our team members. So it's going to be the preliminary round that sequence, and the main role is going to be played by that IPS officer, and Sibi and Chandan are going to play as the invigilators, and the politician's son. So there's a politician's son, and he's getting influence from the invigilator. So he's actually cheating on the invigilator, takes it very light. So because he's getting influence from the invigilator. So the invigilator is going to be played by
Invigilator.
Chandan and Siddhi. The politician's son is going to be Hafiz and Harini. So yourself and myself are the other two competitors. So they are sitting and they are all writing for their preliminary round. So continue.
So you can have how many members are writing exams?
Sir, four.
Four chairs. Chair number 1, chair number 2, chair number 3, chair number 4. Sit down and have each one in a book. That's good. You didn't bring note? Why?
Coming.
Good girl, good girl. Ready, come on. 3, 2. Bathika, I will control her. Sit down. Okay, chief invigilators. So, I am the flying squad manager. So, this examination has to be really taken care of.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please. 1 minute, sir.
You are writing an IAS examination and you are so irresponsible.
Sir.
You see, these kinds of practices will be there, and I want you to be showing very strict culture in this form. Okay? I will be looking into some other floor and I will again come back. Okay? So be very strict in the invigilation. See, you are a future IPS officer and you don't have a paper. Go and pick a paper for yourself, man. See, be very strict on these people. Okay? What are you doing? What are you doing? You are ready for ice cream? No? That's okay. Go and get the paper, man. Oh my God, what will India's condition be if the country is going to give it to these kind of people as IPS? Start writing, man. Distribute the question paper, fast. Give it to her. Oh my God. Two rednecks as invigilators.
Additional seats.
Please, as you can see, the test is going on and invigilators Sibi and Chandan are administering things. What was the sequence?
Copying is actually copying and is doing illegal activities.
Who converts?
No, sir. But these two invigilators are not taking it very seriously. They are leaving it as he is a politician, sir.
Shriya, face it to me in a call. Video.
they both are seeing Hafiz that he's
They're
not-
taking lightly.
Yes, sir.
and they're just leaving just finish it.
Don't see here.
So the two invigilators are very, very negligible about Hafiz's malpractice. They are not taking care of Hafiz. This surprises the other candidates like Mitra, Harini and Ratan.
Sir, he's copying me, sir.
So you can't just leave someone copying and
Is he copying?
Yes, sir, he's copying from my
I've been
pen.
observing and you are coming and asking you not to copy after 30 minutes. What are you doing for 30 minutes? Why are you so negligible? Why are you not very strict towards him? May I know the reason? You got to be really careful, okay? So still about 1.5 hours left in the examination. Be strict.
Okay, sir. You're very strict, sir.
Thank you. Okay, Mitra, give the opening, give the narration for the next sequence.
So freeze. So this is going to be the third sequence, and here it's going to be the interview sequence. The interviewers are Kavinraj and Ratan, and Sibi and Chantan are going to be the other co-panel members of Kavinraj is the head of the of the panel, and Ratan, Chantan, Sibi and Hafiz are going to be their co-panel members, and Harini is going to be the competitor of the IAS officer. So I am going to play the role of IAS officer.
Okay. Good.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So may I know your name?
My name is Mitra Mani, sir.
So why are you coming here?
Sir, I would like to become an IAS officer, sir. So I have attempted for the last week. I attempted for UPSC examination, sir, and I received a letter for the interview, sir. So that's why I came here, sir.
Can I get your file for how's the percentage of marks?
Sir, you get out of job and chat
The chairs must not be.
No, sir. Then he's a psychologist, sir.
With your kind permission, officers, can I ask some questions?
Sure, sir.
Thank you so much. How are you going to serve the nation by becoming an IAS officer, and what is your duties and responsibilities?
Sir, being a honest, noble officer will serve all the duties that an IAS officer should perform, sir. And we will have some people who's negligent, sir, and we will have a lot of other people who are going to guard the nation, sir. And at the same time, if we are being honest and noble, sir.
We made a background check, and your father is a very busy businessman and a psychologist, and he said the bothers about you and your brother. That's what the background check revelation is given to us. And how irresponsible your father could be like this, and how are you going to, when you are speaking so much about the nation, what are you going to do about your father?
Sir, he has brought us really well, sir. He has taught us all the character building, sir. So my brother is also really well, and he is going to attempt for the IPS examination tomorrow. Yesterday, he attempted for the IPS examination yesterday, sir. And he has brought us really well, sir. He has taken a lot of time to bring us really well. He has taught a lot. He has brought many books that could develop us, and at the same time, his job is also very important for him, sir.
Okay. Right. Done.
Yes, sir.
We'll go to the next candidate. Or you have any question, officer? Last question, come on.
Sir,
626.
I have complete all my responsibilities.
Right. Next sequence. Come on, next one. Quick. 6 நிமிஷம் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு already.
Ah,
6 minutes.
sir.
What on her Honey's play?
So now she's going to have the main role.
Okay, so give the role.
Please, so this is going to be a sequence number 4. It's a very important sequence. So Ritan and Mitra are getting their job. They are being successful in their career, and the notification is their father received a notification that they both have accomplished their job. Another time, they both are going to imagine their flashback. So now the flashback that we are going to see is about the IAS officer's flashback. So here the roles that are going to be played are Harini is going to play the major role in this. She is a young IAS officer. That's the childhood of the IAS officer Mitra. And so she has 3 brothers. There are 2 elder brothers and 1 younger brother. Brother number 1 is played by Siddhi Adityan. Brother number 2 is played by Chandan. And brother number 3 is played by Hafiz. And Kaviraj and Ritan are going to be playing as the principal of a school, and I am going to play as the guardian of Harini. So now we would like to show what's going to happen in the flashback.
Fast.
Yes, sir. How do you see it? Okay. How do you see it? So, Harini, Siddhi and Chandan. So tomorrow I have to be outside. So you take care. Maybe I may also take you both. Okay. So because I have to go for admitting him in the school. Now it's time for him to join LKG. So I have to here I have seen a very important and a very good school here in the locality. So I will have to go there and admit him. Okay.
Why am I not allowed to study?
Because they are boys and you are girl, and that's why you are not allowed to study. They are ready to study.
Why girls should not study?
That's all the rules of an orthodox family. Because we don't see anywhere that girls are studying or going to school. So that's how we are also following. So that's why I see CB has studied well, Chandan has studied well, Chandan has joined the school and CB has come to the 10th standard. So now it's time for him to join the school. That's why I'm going.
No, I should come to school.
You keep arguing with me always. Okay, tomorrow come with me. I will see what happens there. Sir, now it's going to be a school sequence, sir. Here they both are going to play as the
That's younger than us, right?
Yes. From the childhood she is not allowed to study, sir. Now she is about 6 years old, sir. And now we are going to the school, sir, for admitting this little boy Hafiz, sir.
This is India.
Principal, sir.
The best principal of this Tamil Nadu state.
Hey, Mama, I want to go. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, come in. Wait.
Hey, wait. Come.
These are the students who want to
Good morning,
be.
sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning. May I know what you are all here for?
Sir, I'm the guardian of these children.
Sorry.
I am the guardian of these children, sir. This is my youngest son. Okay. He is going to join the school, sir, for LKG, sir.
So can we ask you questions?
Sure.
What is your name? My name is Hafiz. Where are you from?
Tamil Nadu.
So I'm interested to come to school. Yes. Are you sure? Yes. You're not going to see your parents. Or at least you're not going to 2 hours.
Principal sir is asking this question because you are going to be residential here in the school itself. You are not allowed to go back home to see your parents. You stay here. So he is asking you whether you will be homesick or not.
Yes, I will be homesick, but I will handle it. Sir, I will handle it. Okay, we are. We are okay with that.
Thank you so much, sir. And this is my eldest son, sir. He's
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm the assistant of the principal. Why are you? You are very focused about the boys, and could you please give information about the girl who is standing? And she looks like a very promising girl. And when you are coming boarding down from the school bus, she kept on asking, "Why are you not arriving? Why are you not arriving?" And you are very stubborn in asking something. Sorry if I am barging in, but they have given me the permission to ask these questions. Could you please explain? As a matter of fact, can we hear from her instead of you? What were you asking? Why is she controlling you? What is going on?
She said me that girls should not go to school, they should do households.
Is that true?
Yes, sir. It's our custom. For our orthodox family, it's the custom. We should not allow girls to go.
And you are speaking that as a girl,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Even I haven't studied. I just come
That is
back.
why you are so rude. Excuse me, sir. I am giving the impression that this lady is a control freak and a very promising girl is trying to study, but she is not allowing. So I want you to take some sincere steps.
So actually we are allowing her to study in our school. Is that okay for you?
Sir, how can you break all the rules and all the customs and
Who
we
broke
follow-
what rules,
Yeah.
madam? Nobody has broken any rules
Sir,
here.
without the
Then-
guardians or the parents okay or acceptance, how can you admit a girl into a school? They should accept for
You
them,
are
right?
curbing a girl's future. Who knows future? She might be becoming an IAS officer in the future, a character in the future, a good young politician in the future, a central government officer in the future. And as a matter of fact, if people have given you a chance when you were young, you would have also become a very good occupational person. So you have an anger on the society and you are infringing those anger on the girl's head.
Okay, I'm admitting her in the school. But if her life becomes something like that, if she gets into a problem, a very bad problem in the future, I definitely blame the school and you have to take
We
it.
are okay to take the problem which your family are going
Yeah.
to account.
The principal is ready to take the risk. Yeah.
Okay, sir, you sign up a document.
I am the
will
in charge of Parent Teacher Association.
Then come sign the document.
I will
That
sign
you are
the document.
responsible.
I'll send the document for.
Then sign it first.
And in the Parent Teacher Association, you are not supposed to step inside this auditorium. You are-
Why should I?
Because you are not a parent, you are only a guardian.
So,
I want to meet, what's the girl's name?
Harini.
Mitra. What's the girl's name?
Mitra.
So I want only Mitra's parents to come here, not you, okay?
Anyone can come. Even as per the rules of the school, anyone can come. Either the parent or the
Let
guardian.
the principal say that, then I will
Now we
approach.
are changing the rules only.
How can you change the
Now
rules?
I am
Exactly, sir.
the principal. I am able
This
to
is
change
not
any
right, sir.
rules.
I am
I
changing the rules.
Allow her to study, please.
am. Okay, let her talk. Are you
Let her
interested
talk.
to join the school? Yes, I am really interested. No, he's
Then
interested.
sign the document, sir, and glad you ready to admit her.
Okay.
I am signing.
Yeah.
Madam, I am signing. I am signing.
Okay, all the three sign. First, I need the principal to sign.
Okay. I have signed on behalf of my Parent Teacher Association. Now principal will sign.
I'm ready to.
You are in 1960s days. You
Okay,
understood?
let me take
Okay, right? And you are seriously curbing a girl's career, which we cannot allow. You understood? And sir, I need your special permission. I don't want this wicked lady to come for
Wicked
you.
lady, how can you say that? Can I perform a
You are not able to raise your voice inside the school.
Sir, I don't want this elegant lady, okay? Are you happy now?
Ah.
I don't want this elegant lady to come inside the PTA meeting every time when we are meeting. And I want only the first time. Mitra, your parents only should attend the PTA meeting, okay? So you need not listen to this lady's commands hereafter. You will be taken care of by the principal and the vice principal and the PTA administrator.
And the main thing, if your parents are not leaving you to the school and you're going to give my number, so you can call me at any time. I'll be free at midnight too. So you can call me at any point of time.
Okay, next sequence.
Sir, so freeze. So this is going to be the last sequence of the skit, and now it's going to be the flashback of Rhythm. And now it's not going to be the flashback. It's a very small flashback, like 1 or 2 years ago. So he feels that
You have last 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
5 minutes. மொத்தமா எவ்வளவு டைம் பேசுறது சொல்ல முடியாது.
So sir, Rhythm was the one who studied really well, sir. So he was the standard big role, sir. So he has studied really well, sir. But now he is facing a huge important problem, sir, while getting into the job, sir. That is homesickness, sir. Now he's supposed to go to Mysore for the training, sir. But due to this homesickness, he's not able to, sir. So